Hey, hey! It's Tuesday. Rained a little bit, so we're delayed on spraying for a little while. And working on getting the chemical loaded up and everything so we can go after dinner. And Briar walks up to me and is like, hey, we gotta go bed. Cattle. And I was like, oh, sweet! You know how to bed? I said, nope. I was like, oh. I was like, me neither. So, what do you do? We're out here figuring out what to do. Probably gonna not do a very good job, but hey, we're learning every day. But I made him do it because I didn't want to do it. What a stud. Well, did one pen without any mess up. Let's see if he can do it again. Come on, man. I get the cows out of the way. Don't get hit. Man, what a stud. That's why I work with him. Stand clear, I'm not standing very clear. Get your rod back in, keep wild cows. They love it. They absolutely love it. Right, a little close. Absolutely love it. So, what you gotta learn is when they say, hey, go do it. And you're like, I don't know what I'm doing. You just gotta do it. That's what Briar's good at. Love it. Some might ask what the whole point of bedding cattle is. It's just gives them a little something nice to lay on so they're not laying on the manure the whole time. Since we baled corn stalks last fall, they tend to like to eat them a little bit too. It's a little snack along with their feed they get during the day. Just a little something extra for them. So on the last pen, figured I'd just give you a little shot of what we got here. It's not much. If I had a drone, I could get some better footage, but we got a 7-pen monoslope here. We got our slab barn over there. So we got dry manure in here. We like to clean it out, haul it out to the fields, and stockpile it. So in the fall when we do tillage, we'll spread it before that, till it in. We like to do it a lot on our organic fields. Over in the slab barns, that's liquid in the pits there. So we'll pump that out in the fall and spread that out. We do also have four outside pens. We don't use them a lot, but you know, there's a few cattle out there, it looks like right now. But we got a sick pen and a working corral up farther. Getting a little dusty over here. Then now we got earlage and silage piles and some DDGs, you know, all part of the ration that these cows get every day. And there's some crack corn over there. It's all about their rations. We're down here. We're gonna go park the shredder. Go back to the farm, see if they need help swapping out the tile boot on the tile plow, and then we're gonna go do some spraying. We got one wheat field, a couple small chunks in a cornfield where we had some grass last year where it was too dry for kidney beans because the irrigators didn't reach there. And then we got one field of corn that we did not spray pre-plant on because it's going to carrots next year, and that's residual, so we could not put that in the future carrot field. So as you can tell, we didn't get to go spraying today because Mother Nature wouldn't make up her mind. You stink. So here we are, sitting at home, chilling with the dogs. Yes, thank you, pretty girl. Nice, pretty girl. Nice. So make sure to, what do I say? What am I supposed to say?
Like, comment, and subscribe.
So, hi. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you like this video. What do you say? Your breath stinks.